Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another delicious recipe. If you want to see how I made this peri peri chicken, please stay tuned. So guys, for this recipe I'm using red wine vinegar, olive oil, black pepper and paprika, 2 big red onions, 2 big sweet red pepper, sugar, oregano, 7 chopped garlic and 1 big habanero pepper, maggi. There is no maggi for this recipe, but being an African person and being a Nigerian person, I love maggi in everything that I make, so I'm using maggi, but you can take it out if you don't want to add maggi. 2 big lemon, my soft chicken, and salt. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is to blend all our ingredients together. We're going to blend the fresh and the dry, everything together. Okay, I'm going to blend it half and half. If you have a big blender, you can shove everything inside the blender and blend everything together. Now I have 1/8 cup of sugar. Okay, I'm going to add all that in there. I'm going to add my garlic and my habanero pepper. Habanero pepper is a very hot, spicy pepper. If you don't have habanero pepper, you can use any other pepper that gives you that spice, that hot chilliness. Okay, I'm going to add 3 spoons of my paprika. I'm going to add 1 spoon of black pepper. I'm going to add 2 spoons of oregano. I'm going to add 1 maggi. Like I said, maggi is optional. You don't have to add it, okay? But I'm going to add 1 maggi. I'm going to add 1 spoon of salt. I'll add a tiny bit of water just to blend it, okay? So now for the second batch of blending, I am going to grate the back of my lemon. I'm going to take the back out. I'm going to squeeze out the water of the lemon. So now after doing that, I am going to add the remaining of my veg. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. So we're going to blend again. So guys, we are done with our sauce. We are done blending it. It is ready for the chicken. The chicken is clean. I'm going to dap it a bit with a tissue, okay? And I am going to just openly slice it like this so the sauce can go in very well. Okay, just like that. We're just doing a little slice on it. this is our chicken. Everything is ready. All I have to do is scoop up the sauce and put on top of the chicken, okay? So I can start rubbing it in. Now that is done and ready. I am going to set it aside for like 30 to 40 minutes before I put it inside the oven. So guys, I am going to cook this sauce. I am going to just leave it on a low heat, like number 5, and I'm going to just cover the pot and I'm going to allow it to cook slowly for like 30 to 40 minutes. There is no rush. Let it simmer slowly on a medium heat. So guys, after 30 minutes our chicken is going inside the oven, okay, and we're leaving it at 160 degrees, okay. I'm going to close it and we're expecting to cook this chicken 35 to 40 minutes, okay. So guys, after 40 minutes in the oven, our chicken is ready. It is looking so yummy and so nice. We cooked this chicken on 160 degrees. And also our sauce has been ready. I basically did not do anything after that to this sauce. I just covered the sauce and cooked it on a medium heat for like 40 minutes. And the sauce was also ready. Yes, everything is ready and this sauce smells so wonderfully good and it tastes so good as well. Peri peri chicken and our peri peri sauce is ready at this point. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. We are done. It is looking fantastic and everything smells so wonderful. Guys, this peri peri chicken and the sauce is the bomb. Like, if you're looking for a spicy food, this is it. It is very spicy, at the same time sweet, and at the same time has a little bit of the sourness from the lemon. Guys, it is absolutely delicious. Anyway guys, this is where today's video is going to end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.